Paris, the city of romance, light and cafe terraces, was transformed this week into something far less familiar as a rare spell of heavy snow blanketed the French capital.
From the rooftops along the Seine to the iron lattice of Eiffel Tower, Paris woke up dressed in white. What is usually a city of sunlit strolls and summer picnics became almost overnight a winter postcard. Tourists gathered outside landmarks like Louvre, Notre Dame, and the Trocadero, capturing photos few expect to take in Paris.
ইলেকট্রা এয়ার কন্ডিশনার কম বিদ্যুৎ খরচে দেবে অধিক শীতলতা আর সেভিংসও হয়ে যাবে তাই।
Nowhere was the surprise more joyful than on the slopes of Montmartre. Beneath the Sacré-Cœur, locals and visitors alike improvised sleds with plastic bags, dancing to music, laughing and sliding where summer crowds usually climb. But while the snows delighted many, it also brought disruption. Roads across Paris region were clogged with traffic. Train services were delayed and flights were cancelled as ice made travel hazardous. France's National Weather Service issued snow and ice warnings across much of northern France, escalating to orange alerts as the cold snap intensified. Officials said conditions like this haven't been seen in Paris for more than a decade. DBC News Desk.